Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel and time to talk tweaks. So for those who already using the new jailbreak on the Unc0ver jailbreak on iOS 13 up to 13.3, and for the most people who using the Checkra1n jailbreak starting from iOS 12.4 up to iOS 13.3.1. For those who already using the jailbreak, here is some top new jailbreak that I want to share with you guys. As always guys, before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to start talking about the first one in today's video. So number one on my list will be the custom player. You guys can take a look right now on my lock screen. How is the player that I have? Even it comes with a border on it, and then even you can customize the background, and then you can customize some stuff from under the settings. If we go ahead right now and navigate to under the settings right now here, you can take a look. First of all, go ahead, enable the tweak, and then also there is another option if you want to use in CC. If I launch my control center right now here, you can take a look at it, how it's gonna be looks like. There is another section right now here if you want to colorize or put the same color or toggle the Spotify here. Hide the lock screen media player, you can untoggle that, and also we have another section here if you want for the color, so you can toggle that, you can change the color. Also, there is another color right now here. You can use the gradient here. So if you toggle that, just like the one that I show you guys already on my lock screen. So you can choose the first and the second color. It will be matched the both. And also, as I told you guys, there is an option for the border. So you can toggle that. And once you're done, enable the CC media manual, just like the one that I show you. Also the CC manual, if you want to put some border color on it, you can tap on the color here. So once you're done from everything, just go ahead, respring your device, so your device will be take the effect, and this is how is the player will be looks like in your jailbroken device. Once again, this one will be called the custom player. Moving right now to talking about the next one. So the next one, as far as we still here at the lock screen. So let's go ahead and talking about the lock widget. You guys can take a look right now that I have one of the widget here. If I swipe here, this is will be take me to another one. If I swipe here, this is will be take me to any kind of widget that I want to customize from under the settings. So going and navigate to under the settings here, go ahead first of all, enable the tweak. That is one of the options if you want to hide the widgets when the device is locked. If you want to toggle that, also if you want to show the reachability from in there, you can toggle that here. The section for the select the widget, so go ahead and tap on it. This will be provide you with two different kind of section, the enable and disable section. So this is what I have right now here. I have the batteries, I have up next, I have my music, and I have this Siri suggestion. So there is ton of different kind of stuff comes in the bottom. If you want to remove one of them and just enable that, all what you need to do, just grab this one, put it in the top, or disable that here. And once you're done, you need to make sure to press on apply here at the top. This will be resetting your device, so your device will be take the effect. And once you go into your lock screen, you will be see the widgets that you already place from under the settings. So this is what the tweak will be provide you with. And once again, if you guys looking to bring that tweak into your jailbroken device, this one will be called the LockWidgets. One of the new tweaks has been just released, one called the RoundedDock. So you guys can take a look right now here, the RoundedDock that I have, even there is a border on it. So this is what the tweak will be provide you with. If you go ahead and navigate to under the settings, there is comes with different kind of customized stuff, so you can custom your DAC with those settings. So first of all, go ahead, enable the tweak. Even we have the rounded DAC, so if you want to choose that, disable that the way you like, and then here the sliders to adjust the way for that DAC. And also there is a border color as the one that I show you, so you can choose the color that you want. And also there is a dark color, so this is going to be different. This is for your background here and for the border. And also there is another section for the scale, two different kind of sliders here, so you can adjust the scale the way you like that tweak, how it's gonna be in your DAC, just like that. If you guys downloading the floating DAC plus for the iOS 13, 13.3, you need to make sure to disable that tweak first of all if you want the rounded DAC to work in your jailbroken device. So you need to make sure if you want to keep the floating DAC working in your device, go ahead and just disable this one to make the other tweak, which is the rounded DAC, to work in your jailbroken device. So this is what I do to just giving you guys an idea. If you see the tweak it doesn't work, that's because this one is affect that one right there. Anyway, this one is called the rounded DAC. Moving right now to talking about the next one, and for the next one, the bottom toolbar. Some of you guys love that tweak so much. That tweak has been updated right now for the A12, A13 devices, iOS 13 up to 13.3. So you can go ahead right now and download that tweak. Really nice and a beautiful tweak to bring that kind of style into your jailbroken device. It's really handy, it's really useful. You can toggle, you can choose any kind of different kind of stuff from under the settings. Let's go ahead right now and jump under the settings here. Go ahead, enable the tweak. Also the tweak comes with the light dark mode. You can choose any one of them. Also the tweak, as I told you, comes with different kind of stuff like gestures here, or the settings for that. You can go ahead and just customize some stuff from in there. If you want to read what is that, is going to be for the bottom toolbar view, so you can go ahead and tap on it. This will be auto dark mode, will be turned on if you want to. And also you can choose the dark blur or the light blur from in there. No rounded corner if you want to choose that, and the other stuff if you want to go through, which is the advanced here, will giving you some extra different kind of stuff if you want to customize the way of that tweak. You need to make sure to respring your device, so your device will be take the effect. And this is the way of that tweak, how it's going to be work in your jailbroken device. So this one will be called the bottom toolbar. So as far as we're talking about the bottom toolbar, there is another tweak which adds some other customized stuff with that tweak. And the other one will be called the activity bottom toolbar. This is will be add some activity into your bottom toolbar. You can take a look right now here, that arrow, if you tap on it, this will be take you right away if you use any one of the application. And then also you can customize some stuff. You can see right now you have some stuff here at the top. You can customize those, and then you can bring those from under the settings. Okay, so once you download the activity bottom toolbar, you need to go ahead and navigate to the advanced here. And once you go to advanced here, you see the edit comments toggle right now here. If you tap on it, this will be bring those kind of options into your jailbroken device. So if you want to choose any one of them, just go ahead and tap on edit. If you want to use any one of these options here, so once you tap on edit, this will be allow you to remove any one of these, or just toggle these right now here. So let's say, for example, the mute here, just go ahead and remove that from in there, delete. If I want to go ahead right now and launch my bottom toolbar right now here, you can see it is gone. This is what the tweak will be provide you with. As I told you, if you want, this is a separate tweak completely. So if you want to add those toggles into your bottom toolbar, you need to download the activity bottom toolbar. If you want to looking for those, as I told you, let me just go back here. Once you download the activity, go ahead and navigate to advanced here, and go ahead and tap on edit here. This will be bring the whole section for you, so you can add any kind of toggle from in there. And this is how it's going to be looks like. Anyway, If you want to bring that kind of stuff with the bottom toolbar, go ahead and download the activity bottom toolbar. Anyway guys, this is the most tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, in today's update. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoy most the tweaks that I show you already. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.